Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala, Shri Pinarayi Vijayanji, Honorable Union Minister for Port, Shipping and Waterways, Shri Sonowalji, respected ministers, Honorable Opposition Leader of Kerala, Shri V.D. Satishanji, Members of Parliament, senior officials from Government of India and Government of Kerala, distinguished dignitaries, partners and friends. Today is a landmark day not only for Vizhinjam, but for Kerala's long-term economic future and for India's maritime strategy. Vizhinjam stands today at the intersection of history and the future. For centuries, Kerala's coastline connected India to global trade, cultures and ideas. Through Vizhinjam, that historic role is being renewed this time with world-class infrastructure, global scale and national purpose. Before we speak about the future, it is important to recognize the continuity of the vision that has made Vizhinjam possible. Projects of this national importance do not belong to one government or one moment in time. Vizhinjam is the result of sustained political will across administration and across party lines. It is only right to acknowledge the foundational role played by the late Shri Oman Chandiji, under whose leadership this project was awarded and given its initial momentum. His belief in Vizhinjam as a transformative opportunity for Kerala laid the groundwork for what we see taking shape today. This continuity of the vision has been carried forward with exceptional resolve under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister. Large transformational infrastructure projects succeed not only because of engineering excellence, but because of political clarity, administrative discipline, and long-term commitment. The Chief Minister's consistent support for Vizhinjam through complexity, scale, and challenge has been the central to transforming a long-standing aspiration into a nationally and globally significant maritime asset. I must admit that we would not have been possible to complete this project if not for the continuous support by the Honorable Chief Minister. He has been our biggest asset that an investor can ask for when implementing such large greenfield project. Thank you, sir, from bottom of my heart. I would also like to acknowledge the continuous support extended by the Leader of Opposition, Shri V.D. Satishanji, and Honorable MP, Shri Shashi Tharoorji, for this project. Such bipartisan cooperation sends a powerful signal to investors, to industry, and to the world that when it comes to Kerala's long-term interest, political differences give way to shared purpose. This project is also a strong example of cooperative federalism in action. I am honored by the presence of the Honorable Union Minister for Port, Shipping and Waterways, Shri Sonowalji, whose leadership reflects India's renewed maritime ambition. Under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, port-led development has become a strategic pillar of India's economic growth. In a remarkably short period, Vizhinjam has demonstrated what is possible when vision, execution, and partnerships come together. In just 15 months of commercial operation, it became the fastest Indian port to handle 1 million TEUs, firmly placing Kerala on the global shipping map. Today, as we lay the foundation for Phase 2, we are not merely expanding a port, we are expanding a national capability. With an additional investment of 16,000 crores under Phase 2 and a cumulative commitment of 30,000 crores, Vizhinjam will scale from a capacity of 1 million TEU to 5.7 million TEUs by 2029. This is the largest investment committed by any business house in the state of Kerala. Vizhinjam will emerge as the largest transshipment port in the Indian subcontinent and a globally competitive maritime hub. Apart from being the largest transshipment port, Vizhinjam will also be most technologically advanced port in India. It will be the lighthouse of how future Indian ports should operate. In closing, I want to thank the Government of Kerala, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Pinarayi Vijayan, Union Government of India, all political parties, people of Trivandrum and Kerala for their continued support and faith in Adani Group. We promise to uphold the trust put in by everyone and continue to deliver on the promise. Thank you. Jai Hind.